I didn't mean to plus verb is used to say that you didn't intend or plan to do something. Examples: I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to judge you. I was just being honest. I didn't mean to spill my milk on you. I didn't mean to get angry at you. I was just upset. I didn't mean to tell your mother about your problem. I didn't mean to pry on your personal life. I didn't mean to perform badly during the show. I didn't mean to shout at you yesterday. I didn't mean to bump on your car. I didn't mean to make this mistake. I hope you can forgive me.